Welcome to Life on Pig Row on a cool spring day. Today I'm going to be showing you how to transplant roses from one part of the garden to another part of the garden. So we have around 6 roses here, the Rosa rugosa, and they're in the old hornbeam hedge. As you can see, they're quite tough looking plants and they grow quite big. What we're going to do is going to transplant one of those. We're going to take it down to the cottage garden, away from any path, so they don't snag anyone as you walk past. When removing any plant at this time of year, you want to go round in a circle, easing it as you go. Yes, you will cut some roots off, but they're a lot easier to lift by doing this. So if you get a particularly tough root like this, don't be afraid to get in with some secateurs and snip it off. That's one rose loosened out of the ground. What I really want to do is knock all these weeds off that have grown up around the bottom of it, bash all the earth off, and I'm going to treat it like a bare-rooted plant, which we're going to look at next lower down in the garden. Okay. So you can see I've put the rose in a bucket, and this is to keep the roots hydrated as we move it. So as you can see, I've now dug a hole for it to go into. I'm just going to pop it in. It is close to the hedge. I want them close to the hedge. They're a vigorous rose. I'm going to make sure all the roots are down. If any are poking out, I will cut them off. And then it's really a matter of just backfilling. The soil around here is really quite good, so I don't need to worry about that. Just firm it in, as I can't really use my feet. I tend to get on my hands and knees at the moment, which is not very dignified, but that's where it goes. I'm firm it in, and so the rose is in now, so what next? Now I've just dug up a plant that's about to come back to life, and it's had a massive shock. Roots have been cut off it, so in any rule of transplanting plants at this time of year, if you've taken off quite a bit of the roots as you're digging it up, you've got to take off some of the top foliage as well, just for it to recover. Now this rose is vigorous, but it will still not do much this year, but next year it will get settled in and it will start to flower again and be vigorous again. So we're going to prune it now. So if any rose, you prune it hard when it comes in, and you're looking for any nodes that are pointing outwards. So I'm going to take this back quite a lot. I'm going to take it right down, so I'm going to take off about 2 foot, and I'm going to take it there and just cut it off like so. And again, I'm going to go around the plant and I'm going to remove anything that I think is sickly or dying, and I'll prune it right back. Don't worry, it will send out new shoots. in the next few weeks, then it will actually grow from the bottom upwards. So there we go, out it comes, moving anything stickly. So as you can see, I've removed quite a lot of the top foliage. I'll now water it. You must always water a plant when it's just been transplanted, and in the next few weeks that'll start to send out new shoots, and we may get a few flowers this year. So that's it today from Life and Pig Row. If you're planning to move any roses this weekend, remember, when you take them out of the ground, you need to prune them back hard. Then if you want to, you can mulch them and give them a really good water. Until next time, bye bye.